Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 13 of this car dealership. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to do something about our site. Now we're gonna do more, and I'm gonna edit the site. I'm gonna extend this more, and also if you go to level 1, we have a corner right here. I want it to be circular. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to delete the curtain wall first in order for me to curve this. So select the wall and then CS, and then use fillet arc and select those two walls right there, and then type in 5,000. Or just create the curve first and then edit it later on. So here we could manipulate it and do 5,000 instead. Also on this wall, but we're gonna delete this, and we're gonna delete this car right here. So now select the wall again, CS, and then curve this one. And then escape and select this and 5,000. And in order for us to add our curtain walls right here, what we need to do is to select this. What I'm planning to do is to add windows all throughout. So I'm gonna show you how to do it, because it's actually difficult to add a curtain wall onto a curve wall. So in order to do that, because I don't want it to be all up to the height, so I'm gonna drag this one down and then add another wall that is only for that part. So now I'm going to edit the roof first. So edit footprint, go back to level 1, and then just copy this. So pick line and then trim and extend. And then we could edit this one later on. I'm planning to extend this a little bit outward, so that we could, because I believe 2 cars is more than enough right here. I'm probably going to extend this one a little bit. Actually, we could just do this now. Edit boundary. And then edit this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then move this one also, except for the elevation tag. There we go. And then we could edit this. So I want it to be longer right here. Why? Because most of the time when I notice, they usually park cars in front as well to showcase it. So better yet, do the same thing. We're gonna add cars outside right here. And then click finish. And then lastly, the floor. We're going to edit that, and we're gonna use pick line. So now let's look at it at 3D. I like to gauge it like that, and then of course this one as well. We just need to edit this. use pick line to trim and extend those. I'm planning to add this one into this panel right here, but I'm gonna change this location. I want it in front of here instead. So this vestibule, I'm gonna move it MV to move, and then put it in the middle. And then we're going to copy this one onto here. Okay. And then we're going to go to 3D, and we just need to move it back to a glaze, and that's back to glazed. And then we should just edit this and delete this. And then now we just need to add mullion onto that lower portion, and we could just add the same idea onto this wall right here. So now we could pick a new place, cancel this. I want to just set another location for this. So this one, we could just move it manually. And that's the entrance. And then here we could just edit. I think that's good enough. And then of course we need to move this back. There we go. And then here we need to select everything and then put it -200 from the host. As you can see, it's just at the top there. Select this one as well and choose that -200 and click apply. So now it's on the ground. And then right now here, so if you notice, if we check this and put a curtain wall, it will just create a line like that. So the trick is to select that and then use a storefront. But the issue with storefront is it's actually all the way to the top. So what we're gonna do is we need to slice this or add another stack wall right here. So we're gonna do that. Let's see if we could split face, which we cannot. So what we could do now is just drag it down and then add another one. So we're gonna add another one. So this one is, let's make it 700 from the top. Let's see how it looks. I just want it to be, that's good enough for me. So this one is -700 from the top. And then we're going to add another one. So CO and then add it there as well. CO, add another one there as well. So now if we go to 3D, there will be two of them right there, and we just need to fill up those spaces. So AL for the align it for the top, and then AL for this portion right here. There we go. So now everything looks good. Same thing we're gonna do here. AL, align it from the top, and then here drag it from the bottom to the top. Make sure to just grab this arrow right here. AL, align it from here there we go. So now once we make this, we'll be able to just use star front and it will curve it, and then star front as well right there. So that looks good. And then now we just have a task on doing this. If you want, what we can do is do the same thing on this side, because why not, so that everything is aligned. We could do top offset -700 and then add another one as well. It's gonna be easier for us. And then we just need to come back here, select this wall, CO, and then add another one. And then do the same trick that we do. Align it at the top. Select this and then drag it all the way at the top. And then AL. And then there, and then now we could select this and then just use storefront to add that, and that looks good right there. I'm going to copy this and then add it to this vestibule. I think we need to go to level 2 in order to see it. CO, and then add it onto this part. Of course, if you want to see it properly, you go to underlay and then change it to level 1, and then at least you can see the footprint. So you do it nicely and properly. And then make sure to turn it off afterwards, change it back, or just go right here. Now we have this part right here, and then we're gonna create a nicer billboard right here with the logo. We're going to, I plan on adding it here as well. I want to splice this SL, slice it here, -700, and then select this CO, copy to the same thing. AL, and then drag it again. AL, and then change this back to storefront. So now everything is aligned like that. For here, I don't need to worry about anything. I want this service entrance to have a banner right here. So I'm probably going to do a model in place right here to create that banner. I'm also going to change this to a different exterior wall. We're going to duplicate exterior wall number 2, and then here we're going to change this. For now, this is going to be duplicate of plaster 2 in order for us to change the materials once we're in Twinmotion. Okay, then okay, and then now we're gonna change it. So we're gonna select this wall right here, this wall, and then this wall to be exterior wall number 2, and then everything else, maybe this wall as well. Let's add this one to exterior wall number 2 because it's always until here only. This one is just regular, and then in Twinmotion we're going to add cars right here. Something like that. But if you're just working on Revit, this is good enough right here, because once we're in Twinmotion, I'm gonna delete this once we're sending this, because we have different cars that we're going to add from there. So here we could just copy it from here and then move this one, and then as you can see, that's the way they have it. And then let's not forget to add the doors again. I'm going to go to south elevation because we can actually move this to the center like that. I think that's good enough. At least everything is equaled. Or we could just actually, that's fine. And then we're going to add a curtain grid, one segment, 400 from there, and then from 400 for here. Actually, I think I don't want to add separation there anymore, only in the middle. I think that's good enough for the entrance here, and then add this one. Go back to level 1 so that you can change the orientation, and then flip it to the proper one. So that's good. Go back to 3D to see how it looks. So this one's fine. We could put service right here. Sorry, use car. And then here we're gonna change this. So for sure we're going to add the doors there. Let's not forget to remove this right here, and then we could delete this. Let's unpin this and then add a glass door right here. Unpin it first and then add the door. Let's not forget to delete this. And then go to level 1. And we could make it bigger, this one. And then let's just notch this in place, so don't extend this anymore, so just leave it like that. And then on the next video we're gonna add the Chevrolet logo now, and then other model in place stuff as well. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.